What is going on, everybody? TG here, back with another video. Another bloody day in the market, especially for Chinese stocks like Alibaba, down over 5% today. It seems like the selling just doesn't stop in that sector, but there is one stock that has been extremely strong this week, and that is Apple. Apple stock has hit a new all-time high today of over $151 a share. The stock hit 151.68 today, which is just crazy. This is such a strong stock, such a strong company with massive year-over-year growth. If we look at some of these numbers from their last earnings quarter, it is just spectacular. Before we start though, guys, if you could like and subscribe, that would mean a ton to me. We are almost at 5,000 subscribers, and that would just be awesome if you guys could just hit that subscribe button. But anyways, back to the earnings. Last quarter, 81.4 billion, 21.7 net income, just massive year-over-year growth, especially on that profit, up 93.23%, which is just incredible. This is a stock you want to own. It's a stock that I own that I plan on never selling. I sold a lot of puts on it. I sold some 170 puts on it, some 170 calls. To hedge myself a little bit, but I'm very bullish on it. And if I have to get assigned shares in January at 170, I'm not going to be upset because I am up pretty well on that. We're about $7,300 on Apple as of right now, which is awesome because I love Apple. And I plan on holding it for a while, and it can help take back some of these losses from Baba. Because right now with Baba, year to date, it is not good. We're up $5,200 on Apple, but we are now down $47,000 on Alibaba. Again, China is just getting absolutely hammered. People sell it off every single day. It's been red for 12 straight days. I continue to think it's going to be a good buy, good hold, but right now it's one of those really, really tough times in the market. But Apple has been solid to me, and I wish I could have gone all in on Apple instead of going all in on Baba. But, sometimes you make mistakes, and, unfortunately that type of stuff happens. But, again, it's still trading at an under 30 PE ratio, which is awesome. Typically when it gets to around 33, gets a little expensive, but as of right now, it's still under 30. Still a great buy. Also, you get a nice little 0.6% a year dividend. Can't complain about that either. And sitting at about 2.5 trillion. But again, the 5G for Apple has been huge. Their services have been huge, and their iPhone sales continue to be a smashing success. And I can just see this stock continue to go up and up every single year. And they have the growth behind it. They have the numbers to prove why they belong there. So again, when all else fails, Apple doesn't. And if there's one stock to own, one stock to buy, one stock to hold forever, I believe it to be Apple. And as a climate, a climate where you use it and you never switch. People who have iPhones aren't switching to Androids. People who buy one Apple product are much more likely to buy another Apple product. And that is why, it has continued over the past 5 years, 50 years, 100. It's just going to continue to go up and up and up. 5 years is up 450%. Even in the past year alone, it's up 30%. That's huge. It's outperforming most everything out there, and it's continued to be a strong buy, hitting new all-time highs. So, again, guys, Apple is solid. You can never go wrong with Apple. I unfortunately made the mistake, and I didn't go big enough into Apple. I would have liked to. I would have much rather done that, but I dollar cost average down on Baba, and as we know, it has gotten absolutely smacked in the past 6 months, past year. And I really started getting into it right about at 220ish, like right about around here. I started getting huge into Alibaba right around 230. And yeah, unfortunately I picked wrong, and that stuff happens, but hopefully it'll recover, and hopefully we can get some of our money back. But if I ever do hit like 150,000 in my account, we're sitting at 86,000 right now, but if I ever hit 150,000 in my account, I'll go ahead and buy 1,000 shares of Apple and just do covered calls on that. But until that day, we're gonna have to wait a while. So thought I'd brief you guys on Apple and why it is my favorite stock of all time. So let me know your guys' thoughts on that. Remember to join the Discord. It's free, link in the description below. I'd love to talk to you guys about stocks and all that. Remember to subscribe. It means a ton to me. But anyways, guys, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.